I really hate dust. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. This is Katrina's Priceless Home Life and More. I share home decor, tablescapes, cooking in my priceless kitchen, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. Don't forget to follow me on all of my socials. That's Facebook and IG. Well, it's 6:42 in the morning, and my church prayer begins at 7 a.m. So I'm trying to clear out my dining space before prayer begins. Again, thank you so much for tuning in to see what I'm doing here on the Johnson Ranch on today. Enjoy this cleaning motivation to music, and I'll be back near the end. I really hate dust.
that the maker of heaven would love me and know me by name. In a world where I feel like a stranger, his love came and found me the same. In each breath that I breathe, when I wake or I sleep, everything I need is found in you, all in you. Everything I need is found in you, found in you, Jesus. What is love that the God of the heavens would stoop down to love me with grace? In the midst of my pride and rebellion, his love wouldn't give up the chase. In each breath that I breathe, when I wake or I sleep, everything I need is found in you, all in you.
Well, this is video number 4 in my spring deep cleaning series for 2025. And I truly hope that it is bringing you inspiration and motivation. All of my Amazon finds can be found in my Amazon storefront. The link, of course, is in my description box below. Thank you again for stopping by the channel, and as always, on your way out, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, a like, and make sure to leave a kind comment below, because thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow. And if you're new here, well, please come on and subscribe. Hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload.
Found in you, Jesus, everything.
Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.